Assembly instructions for the geriatric nursing mannequin. We're going to start with the two main parts of the geri mannequin, the upper torso and the lower half, and we are going to assemble the two. So what we need to do is align these two screw holes. So you'll insert the lower half into the upper torso. You may need to pull back on the stomach slightly to see if the holes are aligned. Once they're aligned, insert the screw and use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it. Do not over tighten and strip the screw. We will need to repeat these same instructions on the other side.